Hello everyone, today's activity is called Monster Feet and is for grades Kinder and First. This activity was found on a website called theinspiredtreehouse.com, and I will leave a link in the description below. Now this lesson is going to need a lot of materials and a lot of prep, but if teachers use this lesson in combination with an art lesson, the prep time will be dropped significantly. The equipment you will need is two 2 feet by 3 feet sheets of cardboard for each student. And each monster foot will need 2 pipe cleaners to attach to the foot. To mark off and cut out the monster feet, you will need a marker and a pair of scissors. For the activity, we will need 3 pool noodles, 3 hula hoops, and 3 jump ropes. This lesson plan is designed to be done in the classroom, and we will be using classroom tables and chairs. The prep for this lesson is to make and have all monster feet ready for the students. Also, before the lesson begins, you will need to create a maze throughout your classroom. A couple things that I have found helpful for this lesson is to have 3 different pathways going out of the starting area, and to have large areas for the students to pass by each other. During the lesson, students will need to first practice moving around with their monster feet, and then divide the group into however many different pathways you have leaving the starting area. If you have 2 pathways, divide the class in half. Then the students will work in groups moving throughout the maze. Once the students have moved throughout the maze, I like to move the chairs around to make different pathways in the maze. Then you can add in the hula hoops, pool noodles, and jump ropes. The hula hoops can act as puddles. Students can hop in and out of the puddles. The pool noodles can act as branches. Students can step over the branches. And the jump ropes can act as snakes. Students can go around the snakes. This lesson is all about your imagination. You can get as creative as you would like. And that's basically it. Change anything you want. It's up to you. You're the teacher. You know what's best. And as always, be the best PE teacher you can possibly be. Till next time, see you later.
Physical education for free.